Hi students, in this short video I want to teach you how to do the addition and subtraction of fractions. So before we can do any addition or subtraction for the fractions, we need to make sure that we have for the fractions we have they have the same denominator. Okay, so there are three types that I want to show it to you, and then in this the first video I want to show you the first type. So you see the small denominator over here is 4, and then the big one is 16, and then as we know that 16 is a multiples of 4, so the 4 over here can jump to 16, it can be changed to 16. So 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Now, so what we need to do here is we need to copy the fraction. First we need to copy the fraction. First fraction, second fraction, second fraction. So we need to do here, let's just copy the fraction, 12 out of 16, and then 3 out of 4. Now after that, since this fraction will stay with the number, does not change, so we just times it with 1. Okay, and then we want to change this 4 into become 16, so we need to multiply with 4. Since we multiply the denominator with 4, then the numerator we also multiply with 4, and then after that we just write down the fractions again. The first fraction is 12 out of 16, just the same fractions, and then the second one we just multiply. 3 times 4 is 12, and then 4 times 4 is 16. Actually they are the same fraction. Now, so after that, since we have the same denominator, then we just add up. 12 plus 12 is 24. This is the improper fractions. We need to change it to mixed number. So let's just write down 24 divided by 16. The result is 1, and then the remainder is 8. It's 8. Now after that we can see that, well, we can simplify the fractions again. So we can use the 8, right? 16 divided by 8 can be done, so we just use the 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, 16 divided by 8 is 2. So this is the result. Yeah, and then make sure that your result must be in the simplest form. Now, so this is the result. Yeah, so if you have improper fraction, change it to mixed number, and then make sure that the final result is in the simplest form. Now, so this is about addition. Subtraction is all just the same. You need to have the same denominator. I will show you I will show you the subtraction. Yeah, so you try to do it on your own first, and then you can pause the video, do it on your own, and then after that I will show you the answer. Okay, you can pause the video now and do it. Okay, now I will show you this subtraction of fraction. So pay attention again. So we have 5 out of 6 minus 10 out of 36, and then as we can see, the denominator over here, 6, is the smaller denominator, right? But as we can see over here, 6 can jump to 36, right? Because 36 is a multiples of 6. Now, so what we need to do here is just the same. First fraction, second fraction, second fraction. So we copy the fraction first, the first one, and then this is the second fraction. Now, and then the 6 over here needs to be changed into 36, right? So we know that 6 times 6 is 36. Since the denominator times with 6, numerator also must be multiplied with the same number with times with 6. And then the second fractions will not change, right? We do not change the second fraction, so we just multiply it with 1 out of 1. So after that we just do the multiplication of the number over here. 5 times 6 is 30. It's 30. And then this one, 6 times 6 is 36, and then we just copy the second fractions, 10 and 36. Now, so I'm sorry, actually this one should be a minus. Yeah, so this is a minus, and then 30. So we have the same denominator, then we can do the we can do the subtraction now. 30 minus 10 is 20, and then after that we need to have this one in the simplest form. So I think we can have 4 as the common factors between 20 and 36. Yeah, so let's just divide by 4 for each of it. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So this is the result of the subtraction. Okay, so this is the first type of the addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, I see you in the next video again. Okay, thank you.